Hi grade 9s, this is just a quick video based on a question that I got in my email this morning. And the question was about the practice exam. And in the practice exam, we have this question right here and the bottom row as well. So the question I got asked is this base supposed to be -2? Because there's a negative there. And the answer is no, the base is actually 2. And I just want to go to the textbook. This is on page 54, and I think it provides a pretty good explanation of it. So we've got a similar example here. We've got -3 in the brackets to the power of 4. And then the next question, we have -3 to the power of 4 with no bracket. Now, the important thing to remember here is that the exponent only applies to what it's touching on the left. So in this case, the exponent is touching the bracket. So everything inside the brackets is included. In this case, the 4, the exponent, is touching just the 3, so it doesn't apply to the negative. All right, so if we look at how that plays out in our question, if you've got the brackets, -3, and the 4 is touching the bracket, that means everything inside the brackets, basically the whole thing, is multiplied 4 times. So -3 times -3 times -3 times -3. So that's what it would look like in repeated multiplication. And, if you cranked it all out, you'd get -3 to the power of 4 equals 81. Now the second question, we've got no brackets, so the exponent is just touching the 3. So the exponent applies only to the base 3 and not to the negative sign, right? So the power is still written as -3 to the power of 4. There's a negative in the power, and remember this whole thing is the power, but the base is just the 3 because the exponent is just touching the base. So that's why it's important that you know the difference between the bracket version and the one with no brackets, because the base is actually different. Okay, this one would be -2 because there's a -2 in the brackets. This one's just 2 because there's no bracket. So hopefully that straightens things out for the unit exam tomorrow. Best of luck. If you got any more questions, just let me know.